Most people who are driven and are motivated, वो ड्राइव आती नेगेटिव इमोशन से.
मुझे ना ऐसा फील हुआ था कि आई एम लेसर, मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया गया. तो आई वेंट थ्रू अ वेरी लॉन्ग फेज ऑफ फीलिंग विक्टिमाइज्ड बाय माय सर्कमस्टेंस. कुछ लोगों की स्ट्रगल BMW में होती है. फिल्म के टॉप 2-3 डायरेक्टर्स देश की शुरुआत होती है. मैं 250 ऑडिशन दे के आया हूँ. मैं 20 साल पहले जो कपड़े पहनता था ना, तो हंसेगा मेरे ऊपर. मेरा टाइम था बॉस, मेरे को लोखंडवाला में भी पैसे नहीं थे जाके कपड़े खरीदने.
वॉइड फील हुआ.
या ऑफ कोर्स, ये 8-9 साल के बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, बहुत मीन होते हैं. तो उस टाइम पे अगर आपका एक पेरेंट नहीं है तो वो आपको फील कराता है उसको. सो द मेल प्रेजेंस इन माय लाइफ वाज लेस देन व्हाट इज नॉर्मल. बट आपको उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है मेरी तो लाइफ खत्म हो गई. सो डेफिनेटली सोशली आपको फील होता है.
You're the harsh parent or the soft one? Who are you?
I'm the
You're
soft
soft one. She's the strict one.
Yeah, it suits her more.
What's your idea of a perfect marriage?
Rule number 1, there's nothing called perfect marriage. Your shared life experience cannot take away from your individual life experience.
There was a study done about emotional maturity. Men fully gets emotionally matured at the age of 43.
I'm 43, mate.
And women get it at 32.
So Meera still has little time.
अच्छा. कभी ऐसा हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है आपको? बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटेंस. एंड टेल मी एन एग्जैक्ट पिन पॉइंट जहाँ पे यू फेल्ट लाइक कि ओके ये फेलियर था, एंड देन वन टाइम यू पिन पॉइंटेड एंड फील लाइक ओ ये तो सिर्फ मेरी लाइफ में एक लेसन है, अब यहाँ से तो मुझे आगे जाना है. बिकॉज दीज आर सेम सिचुएशंस बट दोनों का पर्सपेक्टिव देखने का बहुत अलग है. एंड ओवर द टाइम जस्ट हाउ यू टोल्ड मी कि चेंज हुआ है राइट इन लाइफ.
आई थिंक पिन पॉइंट करना बड़ा मुश्किल है यार, बिकॉज ये ना डेली इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस है मेरे लिए.
Still, if you had to think about when you felt like कि यार मैं devastated हूँ, victimized हूँ, मुझे क्या हो गया यार, ये क्यों हो रहा है?
ये कबीर सिंह के पहले हुआ था मेरे साथ. मेरे अंदर जो भी था, मुझे ना ऐसा फील हुआ था, मैं स्पेसिफिक्स में नहीं घुसूंगा, कि आई एम लेसर. मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया गया, जबरदस्ती नहीं किया किसी ने. एज एन आर्टिस्ट, एज अ स्टार, एज एन इंडिविजुअल, मुझे ऐसा सिचुएशन में डाला गया कि मुझे ये फील हो कि मैं कम हूं. और ये मैं कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा.
कम मतलब
लेस,
कि your stardom is less, कि acting is less, or
it's like your clothes are better than mine.
Oh,
it's just a comparative.
Just like little things compare.
No, it's a comparative. Sometimes life puts you in a situation where it plays out in a way where you're in close proximity and you're made to feel lesser. It's nobody's fault. I'm not getting into that, but that is what I went through for some time, and I was made to feel like that.
And you felt it.
I fought it because ना यार मैं survivor हूँ. जहाँ से लाइफ से मैं उठ के आया हूँ, और जो मैंने लाइफ मेरी जो जर्नी रही है ना पिछले 21 सालों में, मैंने अपने बारे में ये सीखा कि तू सर्वाइवर है यार. तू निकल आता है सिचुएशंस में से, मुश्किल सिचुएशंस में, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज में से तू निकल आता है. मेरे एक दोस्त ने एक दिन मुझे बोला, शायद वेरी निम्बल फुटेड. तू ना टक 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 करके निकल जाता है, तू अटकता नहीं कहीं पे, एंड दैट स्टेड विथ मी बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज थिंक द ऑपोजिट. मुझे लगता था यार मैं फंस जाता हूँ, एंड ही सेड नहीं, तू सिचुएशन जो भी हो तू निकल जाता है उसमें से, एंड आई फेल्ट दैट वाज अ रियली रियली गुड क्वालिटी. बिकॉज लाइफ विल कॉन्स्टेंटली थ्रो न्यू थिंग्स एट यू. इफ यू गेट स्टक, that's not good for you. You have to learn to be nimble footed and move out of that, right? So I told myself at that time that no, Shahid, don't let this define you. Nobody should define you. You should define yourself.
You talked about कि internally ऐसे phases आए जहाँ पे you felt less, or like people were trying to make you feel less.
Still, my film comes out in a week, 10 days, and I'm shitting my pants half the time.
Was it natural?
And then listening to uplifting music and telling myself, we're gonna kill it, buddy, we're gonna kill it. So it's constantly there, right? That duality is constantly there,
But that's good. That's a good thing that you always feel that.
Yes.
कभी imposter syndrome हुआ है?
In what way? Like, give me a little.
Like, जैसे you go to a place and you feel like यार ये मैं belong नहीं करता है, that I don't deserve this. मतलब मेरे साथ क्यों हो गया ये? I don't deserve this. I don't belong here.
Achha, I don't deserve this?
Or maybe I don't belong here.
I don't belong here. I still feel
कि कुछ ज़्यादा मिल गया, like shit, मतलब मेरे को मिल
गया. Yes, कभी-कभी जब आपको बहुत प्यार मिलता है आपकी फिल्म के लिए, तो आपको फील होता है यार मैंने तो हर फिल्म में मेहनत की थी, इसमें इतना क्यों मिल रहा है. वो फील हुआ था.
किस में फील हुआ?
पहली फिल्म में फील हुआ था, कबीर सिंह में फील हुआ था. होता है. There are times जब आपको बहुत ऐसा overwhelming पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है, तो यू फील लाइक दैट. बट आई ऑल्सो फील और दे दो. I'll be honest with you. और चाहिए, अभी दिल नहीं भरा है. Yeah, so
होता है.
yeah, I mean, mostly I feel it. I'm a very simple person, yaar. So, and by simple, I don't mean I don't have. I am complex, of course, but I'm a simple person in like normal things. Like, मैं simple खाना खाता हूँ. मैं ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना पसंद करता चीज़ों को. मुझे रूम के डायनामिक्स को वो रीड करना और फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली एक सर्टेन वे में बिहेव करना, और वो सब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. मुझे आई गेट टायर्ड. एक होता है ना कि समटाइम्स पीपल राइड ऑन दैट. इफ समथिंग इज नेचुरल टू यू, इट इज ऑथेंटिक टू यू, एंड ऑथेंटिसिटी वेस्ट्स नो एनर्जी. So if you're feeling like you're wasting a lot of energy doing something and it's so efforted and yaar bahut, that means there is something very unauthentic about that. You should step away from that. It's not you. You're trying to force something. Let it go. Let it go. Let it happen. Let something happen. वो होना होगा जो हो जाएगा. I don't think you should mess with the energies of the universe. You will get, it's a interactive relationship. You, your destiny, the universe, what we are a part of. It's an interactive relationship. If you will do something, you'll get a feedback. You have to have the ability to action, reaction, and then absorb the reaction. And then again come back. But if you're action, no, action, if you get into that mode, then you're not being able to have a complete relationship. Then you're only pushing what you want. You're not sensing what's happening. Because every action will have a reaction. So you have to sense the reaction. And your next action has to be based on, after you have absorbed and sensed the reaction, then you take your second action. It's an interactive relationship.
It feels like you've done a lot of internal work.
I guess.
Yeah, you have, like, at least it feels like that.
बहुत सोचता हूँ मैं.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत मेहनत लगी है.
But ऐसे कभी फील हुआ है कि मुझे खुद को प्रूव करना है? With every character जब भी आप करते हो.
अभी भी फील होता है, bro.
You feel like constant need to prove yourself?
Because bro, 250-300 ऑडिशन आप दे चुके हो, आप लोगों के साथ खड़े हो चुके हो, आप देख चुके हो लोगों की आंखों में वो एक्सप्रेशन कि यार मुझे ले ले यार, मैं अच्छा हूँ यार. तो फिर जब आपको वो स्पॉटलाइट मिलती है तो वो तो आपके लिए इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू बी देयर ना. कितने लोगों को नहीं मिलती, आपको मिलती है. अगर उसकी इज्जत आप नहीं करोगे यार, तो हट जाओ वहां से. That has to be like your temple. That is sacrosanct, that is sacred. You are blessed to be standing there.
तो कैसे इम्प्रूव करते हो हर कैरेक्टर में, हर मूवी में, कि अब मुझे पिछली बार से एक एक्स्ट्रा कुछ प्रूव करना है?
It is an inherent undying need, I think. It's like a natural spring. वो naturally होती है, वो lifelong होएगा. If you think and feel like that, if that is who you are deep within, it is natural to you. What is unnatural is to do something that you, ठीक है ना, ये भी कर लेते हैं. It's unnatural to do that. And sometimes I tell myself, but Shahid, after 20-21 years of work, sometimes just do something and enjoy the fact that it's coming to you for the 20 years, 21 years that you've been here. But it doesn't feel like, maybe that is not what I like. Maybe I like to, I think maybe that's true. Maybe I like to work and feel that sweat and grime of achieving something. Maybe that is what satisfies me.
Is that the reason कि you choose इतने सारे complex characters and always trying to do something different?
That's just because, I have grown up on cinema and I feel that actually the beauty of cinema is in being able to show the complex dynamics of life. Because that it gives you that opportunity where you can take that to people. And when you're in a situation, you're not able to process it. But when you're outside the situation, you have a bird's eye view. So when you're watching a movie as a viewer, I have a bird's eye view of that world. So I might have been in that situation. I might have been through those emotions. But if I can make you feel that you are seeing something that is a complex, deep emotion that you have within, and that helps you understand that about yourself, or accept that about yourself, or somebody else that you like or love, and see it in context, and then it can stay with you and it can maybe add something to your life. That is the best thing that films and cinema can do for you. That is the highest level of what it has done for me. Like when I saw movies, bro, मेरे लिए तो वही हुआ ना, मैं आई वाज लाइक हाँ यार ये होता है, ये इसने कैसे कर दिया यार, ये तो मेरे को ये फील हुआ, इमोशन इसने मेरे को फील करा दिया यार, ये तो मेरे को 10 साल पहले मेरे मोस्ट प्राइवेट मोमेंट में मेरे को ये फील हुआ था, और यार मैं अभी 300 लोगों के बीच में बैठा और ये मुझे वो फीलिंग हो रही है यार, ही इज ट्रिगरिंग दैट मोमेंट इन माई लाइफ. तो दैट इज लाइक you take a bubble and you put a pin in it and slowly it just all dissolves, so it did that for me. There were so many emotions, complexities, feelings that I had. It helped me deal with them, accept them, see them with a perspective. So I want to do that as an actor now that I am in those shoes. I want to do that.
कि कोई एक मूवी बताओ जिसमें you have felt ये XYZ इमोशन मेरा टच कर दिया इस मूवी ने, and that is something मेरे को करना as an actor.
बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं यार. एक
Pick
तो
one.
मैं जब 6 साल का था ना, मैंने साहब बीवी और गुलाम देखी थी.
Okay.
और उसमें जो मीना कुमारी जब गाना गाती हैं और मुझे वो अभी गाना नहीं याद है, कौन सा गाना है वो गाती हैं गाना, और उनका जो एक एंग्स था कि मुझे छोड़ के मत जाओ, एज अ चाइल्ड आई रिलेटेड टू दैट इमोशन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई फेल्ट इट फॉर, लाइक आई स्टिल डोंट हैव क्लैरिटी, but I'm sure as a child you feel left alone, or you feel isolated, or you feel insecure, or you don't want to be left alone. You want to have more time with somebody. It could be your parents, it could be your grandparents, it could be your best friend who you want more time with. I related to that emotion कि यार adults को भी ऐसा feel हो सकता है जो मुझे as a child feel होता है. So there are so many times in life when that happens.
And कई मूवी में ऐसे हुआ है कि आपने कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है and then that has taught you something about yourself.
Lot of things, bro.
जैसे
I realized I have a really crazy, dark, hectic side to me because I am a very spiritual person. I'm like very attracted to spirituality and I have a strong spiritual side. So maybe I keep that in check. That keeps that in check for me. But maybe I do have
crazy dark side. थोड़ा समझाओ.
अरे यार तूने मेरे characters नहीं देखे हैं?
हाँ देखे ना.
So how to do those characters, bro?
Heather, Udta Punjab.
How would I do Tommy Singh if some aspect of that madness? I've never had a sip of alcohol in my life. How will I know what it is to be high like that? Something has to be inside me, right, to connect with it. So it was there. I don't know. Maybe it just comes in my characters. It doesn't come in real life. I don't know. It doesn't. That side of me never comes in real life.
Never.
Only comes in front of the camera.
Have you ever played?
And I can feel that. I can feel something else is starting happening when roll sound in certain characters. When you're in the mood of the scene and that roll sound happens and you need to feel a certain way, it comes. I don't know where it comes, but it comes. It has to be honest, bro. You can't fake it. It has to be honest.
पर ये इतनी सारी डाइवर्सिटी कैसे है? Like I'm sure you're not Heather in your real life or Kabir Singh in your life or Udta Punjab
you
character in your life.
You need to have a very good imagination. Like I was seeing again at some video I was seeing where they were saying that you with a child, if you play a game of imagination with them and you tell them, now you're a superhero and you're going to wear a cape and then you're going to fly, you tell a 3-4-year-old child, he'll jump off the sofa and he'll do it and you'll have to hold him or he'll fall because he's in that zone. He believes it. His imagination is so strong. So I guess you have to have that childish imagination. So you have to be able to imagine things. So I imagine, like I will say something very triggering to myself before I give a certain type of shot.
Or give me an example in Deva. Deva का जितना ट्रेलर देखा है मैंने कि this cop,
yeah,
बहुत गुस्सा है उसको, उसका एक dark side
hurt
है.
hurt
है.
है.
हाँ.
Every strong emotion comes from deep hurt and pain. नहीं तो वो आता नहीं है, bro. If something hasn't penetrated deep enough, the reaction will not be so strong.
तो खुद को कैसे ट्रिगर किया?
वो नहीं बता सकता. That's very personal call. नहीं वो नहीं बता सकता. But I will think about people and things that are the closest to me.
And उन्होंने कब hurt किया?
And उन्होंने कब hurt किया नहीं? If something happened to them or if I, those kind of, I make it very personal for myself. I have to. I don't know if it's healthy, but I have to do that because it has to be honest.
They say कि आप जैसे चाइल्डहुड में होते हो उसका कोई पार्ट होता है वो आपको शेप कर देता है आपकी अडल्टहुड में, राइट? ऐसा कुछ हुआ है चाइल्डहुड में which has shaped a part of you today?
Everything. जैसे मतलब यार everything. Trust me.
Give me some memory of childhood जहाँ पे कुछ हुआ and you like.
I really believe 90% of your personality is formed till the age of 7. The other 10% is just you trying to manage that 90% that has already got created before you had the ability
to create
to
your
process it and to make a choice. And that's why I'm such a big believer in destiny, because I feel that till the age of 7 or 8, everything that happens to you is nothing has been empowered by you. You have not been the creator of that situation. It's always attributed to you by virtue of who you were born to, or where you lived, which school you went to, who were the friends that were surrounding you, who were your grandparents, and mostly it's to do with the people around you, right?
Yeah.
So I do believe very strongly in destiny and the fact that a lot of these things which are fundamental are already decided for you. Then it's just a matter of how well you play your hand. You can play it really well, you can play it badly, but the hand is kind of been dealt to a large degree.
But आप connect करते हो कुछ part से childhood के?
As I'm growing older, I'm realizing that most of who you are comes from your childhood. I think it's taken me many years to understand that. And once you understand that a lot of it comes from your childhood, I think you're able to kind of find context. And you're also able to, at least with me, like I feel I am able to resolve things. I'm able to see them in perspective. I'm able to forgive myself and tell myself that, you know, this is a tendency that you have, but you can change it if you work on it. If you tell yourself that this is something I can't change, then you can't change. But if you tell yourself that it might not change immediately, but if I work on it slowly, it'll change. So those kind of things I've worked a lot on. You know, like my reaction, my inherent personality is to be like a worst case scenario person. Abhi aisa ho gaya to abhi ye sab gadbad ho jayega. You know, also I have an extreme attention for detail, so I can see the things that can go wrong. But now I've flipped my personality and tried to become somebody who sees how I can fix anything that can go wrong and how I can focus on the one thing that can go right. And if I focus on it hard enough, none of the things that can go wrong will go wrong. That flip has happened in me now. You
know, जैसे, so when I try to connect my life, okay, तो मैं अभी, so I feel like कि a part of my childhood was very as a parentified son जैसा feel होता था मुझे, right? You know, parentified.
How do you define that? Like, because you know, there are a lot of these broad terms, but I think everybody has a personal interpretation of it.
True.
So, like for you, how would that be?
Okay,
like?
So in broader terms, जो loose definition होती है कि knowingly or unknowingly आपके पेरेंट्स की आपसे कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है
जी.
And then as an elder kid mostly,
you're also an elder kid.
I'm also an elder kid. Yeah. तो फिर आप वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस को फुलफिल करने की कोशिश करते हो. मे बी वो डायरेक्टली नहीं बोलते हैं, बट आप चाहते हो फुल टाइम कि उन्हें इम्प्रेस करते रहो. फुल टाइम आप चाहते हो कि ओके पापा को अच्छा लगता है तो मैं ये करूंगा. मे बी ही इज नॉट इवन सेड इट, बट आई वांट टू डू इट एन एक्स्ट्रा थिंग कि मम्मी अगर दुखी है या उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो मैं हूँ, मेरी वजह से वो खुश रहेंगी. तो आई टेक लाइक फुल डिपेंडेंसी एंड लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द फैमिलीज इमोशनल नीड्स एंड ट्राई टू जस्ट मेक इट अप. तो मैं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करूंगा जिनसे उनको थोड़ा सा भी बुरा लगे. एंड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई डिड दैट, जस्ट ट्राई टू इम्प्रेस. एंड इन दिस सिचुएशन में आपको कहता है यू फॉरगेट योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट trying to live up to your parents' expectations. So that's a little part of which I realized recently after doing a lot of work, and कि हाँ कुछ parts से जहाँ पे I can't say fully, पर कुछ था. तो जैसे ऐसे something have you realized about it? Have you been parentified, Sam?
I mean, I would not. I always try and shy away from these terms. Okay. Because with everybody, their association to the term is so different. So I would not use that term. But are there things that have happened in my childhood that have deeply shaped who I am? Yes. I did come from a home where my parents were not together from the age of 3. I lived a lot with my mom. I would see my father only once in the year. So the male presence in my life was less, much less than what is normal. Now, because I have children and I can see when I am not there or even for a couple of days, how that affects my son and my daughter, it very clearly gives me perspective to compare to maybe how I might have felt as a child. So those things become apparent because that's the beauty of life, right? Like roles reverse. First you're a son and then you're a father, you know, or first you're a daughter and then you're a mother, you know. So that role reversal will happen. And when that role reversal happens, it's like life is completing a cycle. So you have two dimensions or two sides to compare. you know, and a lot of times it brings about both types of feelings. कभी कभी ये भी फील होता है कि यार मैं तो अपने फादर जितना अच्छा या मदर जितना अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता. कभी ये फीलिंग आती है यार मैं तो बहुत कर रहा हूँ यार, मेरे माँ बाप ने क्यों नहीं किया इतना मेरे लिए. तो ये दोनों तरीके की फीलिंग्स आ सकती है और दोनों गलत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके कंट्रोल में ना आपके अवेयरनेस में उनके सर्कमस्टांसेस हैं. उनके क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस थे वो सिर्फ वही जान सकते हैं. यू नो,
कुछ आइडिया नहीं है.
वो उनकी कॉन्शियंस है, उनकी जर्नी है, उनकी डेस्टिनी है. यू नो, like the nicest saying for me is that, you know, if somebody is like I won't be able to say it well, but मैं उसकी main thought समझा देता हूँ. That if somebody is being mean, let them be mean, be nice anyways. If somebody is being rude, let them be rude, be nice anyways. If somebody is being selfish, let them be selfish, be kind anyways. Because eventually it was not between you and them, it was between you and him. सबका अपना रजिस्टर खुलेगा ब्रो ऊपर जाके. कोई ये नहीं पूछेगा कि उसने ये किया तो तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया. वो डायरेक्ट यही पूछेगा कि तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया. तुम्हें मुझे जवाब देना है. सो whether you want to call it God, whether you want to call it your own conscience, whatever you want to call it, right? Whatever resonates with you, whatever is your belief system. But if you feel that there is accountability, fundamentally, there is accountability. There is some relationship between action and reaction, and there is some relationship between what we do and who we become, or what we do and what we get. Fundamentally, it could be 5 lifetimes later. That's not the question I'm asking, you know. But do you believe fundamentally, or is there just chaos? This is a fundamental question we should ask ourselves. Everything, is there chaos or is there order? Because if there is order, then that order will be absolute order.
Yeah.
Nothing can exist in like that. And if there is chaos, then everything is just chaos. It doesn't matter what you do. What you do and what you get is completely unrelated. Right? That's one way of looking at life. If you go to the extreme of it, right? One way of looking at it is by saying there is complete order. I don't understand it because I am in it. I am not outside it. But there is complete order because I sense it, right? So my brain tells me there is. Let's not say brain. Brain usually gives you rubbish answers. My instinct, my
soul, my heart, my body,
my consciousness, my awareness makes me feel very strongly there is. You know, so they will have to answer the same God that you will have to answer in your time. तो अपना देखो bro.
So अपना
बाकी लोग का टेंशन मत लो.